What's up, YouTube? Welcome to K Nice Garage. Thank you, everybody that's like, subscribe, and supporting my page. Today, I'm gonna show you how to fix a dent in your car. How I do it. Stay tuned. All right, YouTube. First thing you wanna do is look down the side of your car. You're gonna see all kind of, that's how you can see your dents. But I'm gonna show y'all this major one right there, where the door and the fender meet. That's the one we're gonna prepare, right there. Then I'll fix all the rest of them as I look down. I'm starting on this panel first, but I'm gonna show you how to fix that. Maybe it can help somebody. First thing I'm gonna do is grind down this area, get it down to bare metal. That's the first thing you wanna do. I got it down to bare metal. One thing, I switched from my DA to my hand grinder, and I used a 4.5 floppy disk. It's a 36 grit. I forgot I had them, but it cut right down to it. So after you do that, I'm gonna show you what's next. Run your hand flat down it. Find your dent. Excuse me. Run your hand flat. Find your dent. It's like right in here. I like to mark mine because I'm still learning. So I know that's where my concentration need to be. I lifted the hood to see if I could reach it from the back side. That way I could just use the hammer and dolly, but I can't reach it. It's back up in there. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do now. This is what they call a stud repair welder gun. And all it is you insert these little pins in them, in the tip, like that. That's why you gotta have, you have to grind this down because you can't weld the paint, it won't stick. So you gotta make sure that you have grinded down your area that you're working on. Show you how it works. That's how it works. What it does is weld a little stud on for you, right in the center of that dent. You don't want to leave it too long. And then I'm gonna take a slide hammer, this thing right here, start pulling it out. Try to do this with one hand, see if y'all can see that. Watch. See that metal coming out? It's coming out. All right. As you can see, got it pulled out. All I'm gonna do is take a grinder, just grind these off. I'll be back. All right, I got it smooth to the touch. See if I didn't, it'll kind of nick me, because that's metal. So you see it's smooth. I got it pulled out. Now I'm gonna flatten it out with some body filler. That should smooth this panel off. All I'm working with is just this section right here, just to show y'all how I'm gonna do the whole thing and get it all uniform. But I'm starting right here. All right. Get you a clean rag. I use this right here. It's degreaser. I always want to clean before you apply any kind of body work, filler, or anything like that. Always clean too. I'm gonna try to show y'all this. A lot of people don't show you this, but this is how I'm gonna determine the depth of body filler I'm gonna use. See that gap in between this paper and the panel? That's how high I gotta build that up so it'll be flush with everything. Thought I'd show y'all that. All right, mix and bundle. Again, I'm just using that kind. When you put your hardener, you make sure you knead this package because sometimes it separates up in there. I already did mine, but just wanted to show you. And how I do it, I just put a line straight across like that. And that's what I'm working. All right, we're just gonna knock it down with the DA 80 grit. Knock it down in the hand sand, get all this knocked down so I can start shaping it. Be back. What's up? Getting it down, as you can see, smooth. Working on feathering this edge right now. I'm switching down to 180 and block sanding with my hand. So went from 80 grit. Now I'm gonna try this 180, see if it'll knock it down. All right, we got it pretty much flush. So now there's some pinholes in here. Right here, these ain't no big deal. I'm gonna use some glazing putty, put that in there, sand it down, right here too. Make sure your edges, I feather my edges so it's smooth with the car. All right, from this angle, it's kind of hard to see in here, but got it pretty much flush. If you could look down the side of the car, you don't see no dent in it. So that means I did all right. What I'm doing right here is just taking some cheap flat black paint, spraying it so I can identify my lows and highs. It don't take much, just a little mist like that. Then I'm gonna block it, see where I'm uneven at. Now, you gonna help me sand or what? Here. Stop talking, Matt. You gonna do some work? You tired. Here. Here. You gonna treat? You gonna treat? Well, you better get to work. Put some glaze and putty on all my imperfections, I guess. Hopefully it's smooth out. This part down there, I'm gonna sand all that down so it won't be no line. That's where that tape was. But I had to peel it back, so should turn out all right. Got it clean. All right. Primer and paint. I hit it with a thin layer of primer. Everything look good, but you see this? I don't like that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sand that out. I'm gonna try 180. Try to get rid of that line. Thought I had feathered the ends good enough, but obviously I didn't. So I'm gonna have to feather that out, and I'm gonna use my block. This is my block right here. Use that. All right. Hey, I'm gonna make a correction. I'm gonna use this sander. My wife bought this for me for Christmas when I was making consoles and all that. I really appreciate you. Love you. But I'm gonna use this, and this 220. I'm gonna try to knock it down with this 220, see what happens. Ain't nobody say it was break time. Come here. Come on. Come here. It's time to work. Where your goggles at? Don't be looking like you tired. What, you want to leave? Yeah, I'm just playing. That 220 work. All right. We all learn together. Like that. It's so smooth. And flat. All right. Hey, that's it. Fix my dent. Look down the side of it. It's flowing. It's flowing. See that straight line? That's what you want. Hey, I appreciate everybody like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate your support. Y'all give a shout out to my helper, Dallas. She's still on break. We appreciate y'all.